The pyramid fold is a sophisticated technique to give your suits an angular presence. Want to look like you've gone to Egypt? Just master this bad boy. This is one of the more flamboyant techniques in our repertoire, and it will give you an eye-catching appearance at every event. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Alright, let's jump in. Lay your pocket square face down. Fold it in half from top to bottom. Rotate it lengthwise with the fold on the right side. Fold it in half from the bottom to top, with the top layer askew to the left of the bottom layer. Elevate the pocket square and fold the right corner of the fabric to the back. Fold the left corner to the back. Fold the bottom section up to the back. Place it in your pocket. That's it, my friend. The pyramid fold is all yours. And King Tut is just a little bit envious right now. For our full range of pocket squares, check out ota.com. Now hit that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.